Are you tired of this happening to you? Ooh, man, this thing's pretty sick. Pop the hood. Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, a lot of time and energy put into it. But yeah, I'll pop the hood. Oh, so it's like bone stock? No, not really. It's got the 3-inch intercooler. It's full bolt on. It's got the yeah, that's pretty gay. All right, man. Have a good one. So today, guys, we're gonna be shutting up nerds like that. We're gonna turn your bone stock looking engine bay into something to be proud of, all for about 30 bucks. Let's get into it. All right, so step 1, remove your engine cover. In my opinion, these stock ST engine covers aren't that bad, but definitely could use some freshening up. We're gonna make it look sweet. It does have a tiny little crack in it, but I already fixed that, as you can see. So really, you only need 3 things for this project. I got a pretty cool basic idea of what I want to do, so I'll show you how I do it. You guys can just add your own style to yours. Super windy today. So anyways, here's everything we're gonna need, guys, right here. We got our Duplicolor engine enamel with ceramic. You're gonna want this specific type of paint. We got our yellow, and then we got our black as well. Then we need some tape. You're gonna need some tape. This is optional. For me, I wanna try to outline the ST logo in yellow, so I got an ink pen. It's a liquid paint marker. Milwaukee makes this one. And then last thing you're gonna need is a razor. Doesn't matter what type, but you're gonna need a razor. That's everything we're gonna need. We're gonna get started. First things first, we're gonna tape this thing off. All right, we're all taped off. Now we're gonna take the razor. We're gonna clean up those edges. Okay, it's all taped off. It's ready to go. And I might have missed a step of cleaning this, so clean this up. I'm gonna go clean mine right now, and we'll be ready for our first coat of paint. Finally time for paint, so we're gonna throw our first coat of paint on there, bust out that yellow and start cranking away. Okay, let's see if my little tape wall holds up to the black. We're gonna paint this section with the black. All right, guys, we got to paint it up, so we're gonna unbag it. I think we're gonna unbag most of it. We're gonna unbag it and see what this thing looks like so far. Also, another thing we just did, painted this cap yellow. Looks pretty sweet. Adds a little bit of extra yellow to the engine bay. But for now, let's see what this thing's looking like. All right, it's coming along pretty sweet. I'm pretty stoked with it so far. There's a couple of imperfections here and there that I can touch up later. But again, this was a project that's DIY. It's not going to be 100% perfect. If you want 100% perfect, you can go pay $100, $200, $300 to get a custom engine cover made. But this is for the DIYers, people that want to make their car look sweet on a budget, and people that are just bored of stock. I'm here to help you guys find stuff to do for cheap, make your car look sweet, and have some fun. But the next thing we're going to do is we're going to try to paint this ST logo. We're going to see how it comes out. It just looks like kind of too Ronald McDonald-y with the red and yellow. So I'm going to try to tape it off, cut around it with the razor, and then use the ink pen and then fill that in the middle of it. So let's see how this turns out. Okay, that turned out better than I expected. I hope when I peel it off, it's actually outlined pretty good. It looks pretty good, so we're gonna fill that in with yellow. With this, John, we're gonna see how it turns out. Okay, so that's it. That's pretty much wrapped up. It looks pretty stinking sweet if you don't look too close. But really the only part that I'm not super stoked about is that logo. But I think I'm just gonna order one online. You can just order one of those outline stencils. I'll clean that up and I'll throw it over it. So it'll be a nice clean emblem. So I'm gonna throw it back in the car. Let's see what it looks like. Wow, this looks so sick. Alright, thanks for tuning in for this quick one, guys. This is a fun one, and hope you can do this series. Don't forget to check out the clothing, simpleclothing.co. Cop a hoodie. I got hoodies, t-shirts, sweatpants. We got a bunch of cool stuff. So first link in the description, simpleclothing.co. Go check it out. It supports me. It helps me to make more videos like this to help you guys save money and customize your car, have some fun, all without breaking a bank. Car looks pretty stinking sweet. I'm stoked on how it turned out. It's a cool, fun little project to do on the weekend. Adds a little spice to your car. So let me know if you guys do this. I want to see them. So if you like this video, subscribe. There's a bunch more stuff like this on the channel. So I'm hoping to help you guys out. Let me know. Leave a comment down below what you think. And if you like this video, drop a like. Thanks for tuning in for this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Shoo! Not bad.